or welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I thought I would make some ramen, some homemade plant-based ramen, and I wanted to go ahead and share the recipe with y'all. So first we have the spelt Asia noodles. This is key. I got these from Amazon. It took a little minute to come, but this is the basis, right? Then I have some coconut milk, adding to the water that I already have boiling. I got some jalapenos because I love spicy food, okay? Whenever I make dishes, it's got to have a little spice to it, okay? Because that's, my food ain't for the weak. So then I got some garlic. Purple garlic in particular. I love the purple. The darker, the better. Okay, baby? Then we got some red cabbage. We got some red onion. I got some string beans. I also have some tomato, so some thyme, as well as bay leaves. I also have some broccoli. These seafood mushrooms that I'm gonna cut up and place in the broth, as well as some ginger, just a little bit of ginger for a little twang. So ginger. Some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna blend these up to make a nice little paste. That will go good with the coconut milk. And then I have red, yellow, and green pepper. And then I'm also going to add like curry powder, some slap your mama seasoning, as well as salt and pepper. So that's everything so far. And then we're going to start adding everything, cutting up everything and adding it to our water as it comes to a boil.